All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're diving into something, a topic a lot of people experience, but maybe don't talk about too openly, and that's low libido. And you share some interesting stuff from the Berkeley Center. They're a fertility clinic,
Yeah.
and they're right here in Midtown East in Manhattan.
Yeah, they have a great track record. 27 years, almost 3 decades in reproductive wellness. They've been doing this a long time.
Wow, and it's interesting because now they're expanding their focus and looking at diminished libido, and they have a really fascinating perspective.
Mm-hmm. It all comes from traditional Chinese medicine.
Okay, so let's break this down. So we've got the Berkeley Center. They've been around for almost 30 years. They've been dedicated to fertility.
Mm.
What I thought was so interesting was that it was founded by a guy named Mike Berkeley, who was actually the first acupuncturist in the U.S. to focus solely on reproductive medicine.
Right, now they're applying that deep knowledge to low libido.
So interesting. So tell me, what is it about their approach that stands out?
Well, the material you gave me emphasizes that low libido usually isn't a problem on its own. Like, it can come from all sorts of things, like stress, hormonal imbalances, emotional fatigue,
Oh, yeah.
even circulatory problems.
Interesting.
And traditional Chinese medicine really offers this framework to understand and address those root imbalances in a holistic way.
Okay, so instead of just going after the symptom, they're really trying to look at the whole picture. Right? And one of their big tools is acupuncture.
Mm-hmm.
The information talks about how acupuncture, the Berkeley Center, stimulates the body's natural healing abilities. It improves circulation, regulates hormones, calms the nervous system, and really focuses on enhancing blood flow to the reproductive organs.
Right, and they say the outcome is, increased desire, sensitivity, and stamina.
Hmm.
And this is important, often without the side effects that you sometimes get with pharmaceuticals.
Yeah.
It's a gentler approach.
And they also use herbal therapy. Now, this isn't some cookie-cutter approach. They create personalized Chinese herbal medicine for each person.
Yeah, it's really tailored. Each formula is made based on the person's constitution, their symptoms, and the patterns they see in TCM, in traditional Chinese medicine. It's about addressing the root causes,
Gotcha.
supporting adrenal function, endocrine function, easing anxiety, and boosting energy.
Right, and if we think about this in the big picture, both these therapies, the acupuncture and the herbal therapy, kind of work together to help the body find its natural rhythm again.
Exactly. It emphasizes that they're not interested in just masking the symptoms.
Mm.
It's about really resolving the underlying causes of low libido.
It's about long-term wellness. It's not about a Band-Aid.
Exactly.
And so for those of you in the New York area, the Berkeley Center, they're located in Midtown East in Manhattan. And it's fascinating. Mike Berkeley, the founder, he's been such a pioneer in integrating this ancient wisdom with modern fertility care.
He even works with reproductive endocrinologists and OBGYNs.
Oh, wow. So he's really bridging the gap between these different worlds.
It's a great example of how different medical traditions can complement each other.
So what's the big takeaway here for our listeners? Well, it's that there's this alternative, holistic way to think about and address low libido.
Right. Using traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, and personalized herbal formulas, the goal is to restore the body's natural balance.
Now, whether this is something that you're dealing with personally or you know someone who is, I think it's really valuable to know about these alternative approaches.
Definitely, it opens up options beyond conventional medicine.
So if this has piqued your interest and you want to learn more, the Berkeley Center's website is www.berkeleycenter.com. Or you can give them a call directly at 212-685-0985. Again, they're located in Midtown East Manhattan.
And, thinking about how traditional Chinese medicine emphasizes that connection between our minds, our bodies, and our emotions, here's something to ponder. Could focusing on your overall well-being in ways you might not expect actually have a positive impact on intimacy and desire?
It's a fascinating question to consider.
It really is. The body is so complex.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for having me.